welcome to my channel. And today we're in my kitchen for some more recipes. Vegan bacon made with shiitake mushrooms. Yum! Whether you're a vegan or not, this recipe is to die for. Oh my God, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Making BLTs with this literally blows away real bacon, by far. If you guys didn't know already, I was very sick before. I had hospice even taking care of me, and I finally ended up getting better when I became a raw vegan, among other things. That was many years ago. I'm better today, and that's for another video and my book. And because I'm able to process toxins and detox normally now, I no longer live that lifestyle so strictly. That's why you'll see me sharing recipes that have nothing to do with being vegan or raw vegan. Even though there's many things that I still hold on to this day, with this recipe being one of them because it's that good. Now, today we're gonna be baking it in the oven, but of course, if you want this to be raw, you can always use the dehydrator instead. I'm so excited to share this with you. It's so easy and so delicious. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so let's jump right in. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using today. And starting off with the meat. I'm using sliced shiitake mushrooms for the meat of the bacon. And yes, I wash my mushrooms. I know there's people out there that say don't wash mushrooms, and I say that's ridiculous because I'm not into eating dirt. So I rinse and make sure all the dirt is off. There's only one mushroom that I don't wash, and that's white truffles. I brushed the dirt off. And that video coming soon. And now we're ready to add the flavor. We're starting with olive oil. Pour in to make a light coating and stir. I'm not going to be measuring today, but you can watch me do it so you can duplicate this when you want to make it and just use your judgment. I will be more precise with exact measurements if this recipe makes it into one of my books that I'm writing. I'm sure that it is because it's so good. Then liquid aminos, a nice coating, and mix well. Now, soy sauce. Of course, you can use any brand you like. Here, I'm using a low sodium. And stir. And lastly, we have balsamic vinegar. Try to use a nice quality aged balsamic. And mix. Now, transfer your mixture to a baking pan. Spread it out and try not to overlap too much. And if you want to sprinkle a little bit with smoked salt, this is totally optional. I don't use this all the time, but sometimes for a little extra smoky flavor, I use it. The one I have today is very coarse, so I'm using my small palm size mortar and pestle to grind it up a little bit. In a preheated oven at 400 degrees, I bake for about a half hour. All depends on how much liquid you're using. Also, you can bake it a little longer if you want it to be more crispy. The bacon is on the bottom rack here. The top rack, I'm making another recipe with whole shiitake mushrooms. So you can just ignore that. Take it out, let it cool a little bit. It'll dry up some if it hasn't already. So beautiful. Yummy. You can use this bacon in any of your dishes like pasta, chicken, or sandwiches. Today I'm making BLTs on crackers. They are delicious and look so pretty. Yay! Arugula, mayonnaise. I'll also share my homemade mayo recipe at some point. Add a layer of the bacon. Oh my God, you can't believe how delicious this is. And since the cracker is narrow, I'll use cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes like I'm using today. Oh, Sophia! Vini qua mangia! Okay guys, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up. I can't wait till you make this in your home. Let me know in the comments.